In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gmail to Google Calendar. By the end, your calendar will automatically pull in events like flight confirmations, hotel bookings, and reservations directly from your inbox, so you don't have to add them manually. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once Calendar is open, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open the quick menu. From that menu, click Settings to open the full settings page. On the left-hand side, find the section labeled Google Workspace Smart Features. This area controls how Google can help surface information from your Gmail and other Google apps to make your calendar more useful. Click Manage Smart Features. A panel will appear explaining what smart features do. Turn on Smart Features. This allows Google Calendar to use relevant information from your Gmail, like dates, times, and locations, to create and update calendar entries for you. When you're ready, click Save. If you don't see this option, your administrator may have disabled it, or your account might present the wording a little differently. In that case, just proceed with the next setting we're about to adjust. Now, while you're still in Settings, look for the option called Show Events from Gmail. You can scroll the left sidebar to General Settings or use the search box at the top of the settings page to quickly find it. When you see Show Events from Gmail, check the box. This tells Calendar to automatically add events it finds in your Gmail messages, such as flights, concert tickets, and online orders that include delivery dates. These events will appear on your calendar with the details pulled straight from the email, making it easy to see everything in one place. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Only you can see events that are created from your Gmail unless you choose to share your calendar. You're always in control. If an event doesn't look right, you can edit or delete it in Calendar without affecting the original email. And if you change your mind later, you can come back to Settings and uncheck Show Events from Gmail or turn off Smart Features at any time. That's it. You've enabled Smart Features and told Calendar to show events from Gmail, which links your Gmail to Google Calendar. From now on, look for new entries to appear automatically. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more organized schedule.